in the emergency room, we obviously recognized that we had an issue with trying to get our patients out of the emergency room, disimpacting our ED, and allowing more patients to come in.
I'm seeing volumes grow from just under 60,000 back in 2006 to approaching 80,000 visits. What became very evident is that our existing physical plant was beginning to become inundated and overwhelmed.
And when we looked at it, it wasn't only the issue of getting patients through, it's patient safety.
When the ER is overcrowded and there's nowhere else to place the patients, it creates a danger and it puts patients at risk. So the emergency department had to create some sort of solution.
We got together working with CEP and the rest of our management team, and we said, you know, we have to do something.
You know, the good resource we have is the other CEP sites and what they're doing. We knew we had this multifaceted problem, and we looked at, you know, what pieces could we take? What are other people doing well?
Our capacity alert response was really born out of the necessity to respond to the challenge of providing timely and high-quality emergency care for a growing emergency department patient population.
Part of it was the ED at times was drowning and the rest of the hospital didn't know, including myself. So I think we created this capacity alert. The whole idea was we had more resources, we could help them if we knew. So we had to find a mechanism to let the whole house know.
We initiate what is called a code bed alert, which is an overhead page that goes throughout the entire hospital and also allows individual notification to key decision makers.
The entire hospital is notified that the ER department is saturated to a level where further care probably would be unsafe. So in that instance, we get the department heads all to come down to the ED to evaluate the situation and work together and work collegially to try to open up beds, to try to move patients out of the emergency room so the burden is taken away from the ED.
The entire organization is committed to, you know, helping the emergency room work out their capacity issues and ultimately providing a safer place for our patients and a better place for them to be.
This year so far we're at 27 minutes, even with our volumes being 80,000 patients, and if we keep going the way we're going, we're going to be probably around 90,000 for this year, and our time to provider has dropped to 27 minutes.
As volume has increased throughout the nation and Southern California in the emergency departments, CEP has had the foresight to establish protocols to see those patients and still provide the same quality of care.